Hi, I'm Mike Bowers. I'm the Managing Director of Cellular Solutions. We're primarily a communications company specialising in the B2B area in the northeast of England. Our primary focus used to be mobile phones, but now we've branched out. We do a lot more products and services, really covering the whole spectrum. So you've got your landline products, ISDN, fibre, broadband, as well as BlackBerry solutions, BlackBerry applications, and products and services really around anything to do with communications and business. In terms of the market we operate in, we're primarily focused in the northeast region, the SME market, small to medium enterprise, although we do have a number of high-profile PLC companies and some multinationals as well. But our primary focus is in this marketplace. Over the last number of years, we've been very fortunate, and that's because of the way that we've actually positioned ourselves as a company. We've grown quite substantially. The last year itself, bear in mind we're in a recession, we've had a 25% increase in customer base. A lot of that has been due to the fact that because we've been so successful in retaining customers by the customer service levels we offer, and we've actually had networks given us of their customers because we actually look after them better than them. We had an ACT version of CRM on our systems, and we'd really outgrown it. So we were looking around the marketplace, and we recommended actually to Bond Solutions and Derek in particular to really give us the options of what was the best CRMs on the market. The differences between moving from an ACT CRM system to what was the Sage CRM system are huge. The integration was a big thing for us, the ability for everybody in the organisation to accurately see what's going on in particular clients in relation to service issues, sales opportunities, communications. The benefits were really transparency and clarity of the information, also being real-time kept up to date. The enhancements and the add-on solutions really then piled on top of the benefits in terms of integration of e-marketing, the link into our financial solutions, and some of the others in social media as well. How I use the Sage CRM software on a day-to-day is really from the point of view of the desktop, viewing the management information. So what I can see is accurately where we're going as a business on a week by week, and if the figures aren't increasing, then I'm the one asking the questions why. So that's a great piece for me. In terms of from a business point of view, really depends on the department, because we don't just use it solely as a sales tool. Yes, the sales and marketing departments use the system quite extensively, but we also integrate it within our service and after sales. So cases are logged against particular customers and resolved. The quick view allows you to see cases that are current, the recent communications, and any potential opportunities. So no matter who answers the call to the client, they have that information at their fingertips. So therefore the client feels a lot more valued because they feel that everybody is aware of any situations that they have. I believe our customer experience has been greatly enhanced. Certainly now we've put a new, as our next step to integration is QGate software, which is advanced CTI software. What that gives us is a sort of advanced caller ID really, where the screen pops on the CRM, allowing any operator that's going to take that call to actually click on, view a snapshot of the customer, give them the recent communications, cases, and any sales opportunities prior to them answering the call. So every customer feels even more valued by the fact that they're not having to give their account number to some nameless call centre. They ring in into Cellular Solutions, and the person on the end of the phone knows who they are, knows what's important to them, or what they're potentially ringing about before they even answer the phone. From a business benefit, what we've seen is, certainly in our CSI scores, our customer satisfaction index scores, is they've been steadily going up. The vast majority of our customers are certainly being touched or being contacted and spoken to by their account managers a lot more frequently. We see the use of notifications, so there's reminders flagged up, and what we've seen there is it's just really built and helped cement what is an incredible low churn rate that we have in the industry. So in terms of social media, we use a lot of social media to the extent that we recently took on a digital marketing person in that area. And really what we've seen from it so far is the length of time that you generally find in B2B marketing on social media is very similar, but it's just an extra avenue that you can generate leads, generate interest, and if people are finding you in multiple places, they're more likely to actually come to you when they're ready to buy. In terms of our integration of social media into Sage CRM, primarily is Twitter. Bond Solutions were kind enough to install the add-on application. And it gives us a great insight because we track companies and we track individuals. And the allowance there to actually log that communication in Twitter, but also in the CRM, means that we've kept it and stored it there. What we also use it for is the telemarketing and the new sales and acquisition department. So if we're tracking a potential customer, what they can do before they make a phone call or an email to that particular person is they can view the Twitter feed, see what's important to that company or that individual, and it just gives them so much more information when they're actually trying to start up any kind of dialogue. About 3 years ago now, we were looking for a new CRM solution, and we asked one of our IT partners, who very strongly recommended Derek Curtis from Bond Solutions. And as a partner, I can't really endorse them enough. We really wouldn't bring anybody else or make a call to anybody else now. And we went through a number of what I think is reasonably sophisticated integration levels. And all the way through, they've sort of delivered the training, they've delivered the implementation in a very professional manner and actually on time, which is very unusual in that industry.